Well, we made it through Module 1, Introduction to the Fire Academy. Let's move on to Module number 2, Hose Operations. And all of our modules are laid out the same. We start with an introduction to that course. Then we have our course learning objectives, our daily schedule, and because this is a hybrid course, there's always pre-reading assignments and quite often ungraded practice quizzes before we get to our daily activities, which is our skills training. Notice after day 2 activities, we have our first graded quiz. And if we scroll down to day 5 activity, now we have our hose skills testing and our final quiz for hose, a summary on the course, and our anonymous course survey. To get more specific, we start with our introduction page. It's going to show us an overview on what we're going to cover through this course. What we need to cover specifically in ISTA Essentials, Chapter 12 and Chapter 13, the handouts that we need to cover, the State Fire Training skill sheets we need to cover, videos, announcements, discussions, classroom activities, and skills training. And then our course learning objectives, these are very specific to just hose operations. They're NFPA requirements. Let me give you an example. Number 8, demonstrate how to deploy a portable water tank for drafting. There's 82 NFPA requirements just for hose. And then we end up with our student learning outcomes, which are what you're going to be able to accomplish once we're done with this course. Our daily schedule of all 5 days, and then our pre-reading assignments. Now we're getting more specific. ISTA Essentials Chapter 12 and the page numbers required. Chapter 13 and page numbers. The skill sheets that you're going to cover in ISTA Essentials. 2 really good videos, one on how's it made fire hose and how's it made fire hose nozzles. After you've covered all this material, you're going to hit the next button and proceed on to your first practice quiz. On day 1 activities, skills training, this is the reading assignments you've already covered, the handouts you already covered, and we do have one skill sheet I want to show you that will cover this day. This is right from State Fire Training, and if we got build hose rolls as a skill during state certification testing, this is the grade sheet we would use. These are all the elements that you would have to complete to pass. Your videos if you want to review them, and then our class activities for day 1. All the material we're going to look at, nozzles, fittings, tools, hose, and the drills we're going to do, the skills training, rolling and unrolling hose, making and breaking couplings, and how we carry hose. And then we move on to our pre-reading assignment for day 2 and so forth. So I hope that gives you a little better idea of how we've laid out the entire course. As always, if you have any questions, you have my contact information. Please don't hesitate to call. And I look forward to seeing you on hose day number 1.